Hello YouTube friends and subscribers. This is the Crafty Cookie. Also Nikiba. And I just want to share with you guys some projects that I'm just working on, and about a dear friend that lives in Canada, and she's here on YouTube, and I love to dance, and so we've met here on YouTube and become great friends. She's over in Canada and I'm just jazzed to know her. And I made this project for her baby girl, her granddaughter, and they just love my patterns, and she's been trying to make different ones, and I'm just so jazzed. But I'm going to send a special gift to her granddaughter, and this is a new project that I was working on. And I'll sell this pattern also on Etsy.com. It's just a straight pull-up boot with a little cute lace tie at the top where it gives you some adjustments if you need it, and then just a cute little belt on there. So I love to dance. This is my special gift to you, and thank you so much. I love you so much. Thank you for your friendship. And her hubby made these for me, these forms, and yeah, I had to put left and right idiot signs on them because believe me, it got me confused at first. I love them though. I covered them with bags, and I hear my little grandson in the kitchen getting cereal. And but this is a new project that I'm working on. I just designed these last night, and so I'm kind of working on those, and I'm gonna sell this boot itself on at my Etsy site, and as well you can buy the pattern. This boot is a size 7 to 8. So, and it's a brown with a really cute designer embellishment yarn, bulk yarn, and it's really sturdy. It'll have a rubber sole on the bottom. So anyway, I love to dance. Thank you so much. Bye.